Yeah, we heard the soundbite, the cheap shots, the low blow. You throwing insults in the wind, but watch where the truth gonna flow. Yeah. Called as garbage, refugees, some you gotta send back. Hold up, let me run a legacy check on this track. Before you talk deportation, let's talk about the root. You ain't mad about the people, you're just scared of the fruit. You stand on the platform and you preach the hate, calling our people trash. You steal your own fate, but we see the truth in your eyes. It's played and raw. You're not mad about crime, you're scared of the law of success that we bring. That ancient pride, admit you're shook. Now that's the truth. You gotta hide. Don't call us new, man. We've been here since time started. We standing on the map where the globe gets charted. We're the landlords on the bearable man. The gated tiers connecting east to west for thousands of years. The oil flow, the trade route, the pressure point. You see, we control that choke point when you were just history. You talk about our neighbors, but we got the deepest score. Go check the walls carved deep in the Pharaoh's temple door. They sailed the Red Sea seeking treasures. We alone have grown. They call our region part the land of God's most precious stone. They wanted the frankincense and the gold that kept their power strong. You call us nothing, man. You've been disrespected for too long. You stand on the platform and you preach the hate, calling our people trash. You steal your own fate, but we see the truth in your eyes. It's playing the raw. You're not mad about crime, you're scared of the law of success that we bring. That ancient pride, admit you're shook. Donald, that's the truth. You gotta hide. Think the problem's people, now the problem is the wealth. You're scared of a sovereign future built by your own stealth. You talking garbage, look closer at the ground beneath the sand. It's not just the trade flow, it's the richest land. 30 billion barrels, that's the figure they speak. But they ain't finished looking in the mountains, northern peak. We got the iron in the tin, the bedrock and the chip. The vast unmapped wealth that'll make the global power slip. And you fear our youth, that's the dumbest joke you've told. 75 was under the 25, that's more valuable than gold. With the young camels of the horn, built for the long haul. A demographic dividend waiting for the curtain call. We tried to put us in the box that you reserved for the South, but we're multilingual. We run money where the global cash sprouts. We're in the UN, we're in the Hulani, running politics in Sweden, rebuilding our homeland. A success story they never believed in. Ask London, ask Toronto, ask New Zealand and Australia. We're the biggest asset, we are not a failure. We came from the conflict, now we're the investment that pays us. Any nation that hosts the Somali is the luckiest in the world, that's the phrase, sir. You stand on the platform and you preach the hate, calling all people trash. You steal your own fate, but we see the truth in your eyes. It's plain and raw. You're not mad about crime, you're scared of the law of success that we bring. That ancient pride, admit you're shook. Donald, that's the truth. You gotta hide. You stand on the platform and you preach the hate, calling all people trash. You steal your own fate, but we see the truth in your eyes. It's plain and raw. You're not mad about crime, you're scared of the law of success that we bring. That ancient pride, admit you're shook. Donald, that's the truth. You gotta hide. No more warlords, no more bars on the coast. We're trading the warships for cruise ships ready for the host. The longest shoreline, the safest travel, because the diaspora is here.